I'm with Tireni Ladega from B&Q. Can you just give us a quick intro in terms of like what B&Q does?
So yeah, we have a marketplace which launched in March 2022. So this marketplace allows customers to buy products from third-party sellers from a variety of categories such as home, garden, outdoor, kitchens and bathrooms.
What sort of impact are you seeing with the B&Q Marketplace and sellers who are looking to get on there?
Yeah, I think one of the great things of B&Q is that it's a well-known and trusted British brand. So people go into B&Q knowing they're going to get good products and a good service. And I think for us, that's really helped to, one, sell the marketplace to future sellers, knowing that there's a key customer base looking to buy products, and also to ensure that we're vetting to get the right people onto the marketplace. So it's been a real success. So since launching, marketplaces make over about a third of our online sales within 2 years. So it kind of shows the impact of having good products and a good customer base can really help to drive success.
And so this marketplace, is this local? Are you looking to expand internationally?
At the moment, it's for UK-based sellers. So basically you have to be based in the UK, have an office here, and obviously shipping from the UK as well. But B&Q is also part of the Kingfisher Group, which includes companies such as Screwfix, Castorama, Brico Dépôt, and Cocktails. So for the company Brico Dépôt, the marketplace in Spain and Portugal. And there's also plans to launch a marketplace for Castorama in France and Poland as well, similar to B&Q.
Any trends that you're seeing in like the home, garden, DIY space at the moment?
Yeah, I think definitely it's been a rising trend since COVID that people are investing more in terms of their home. So definitely looking to in terms of products, gardens, kitchens, bathroom products. We are finding that customers, they're definitely looking to buy products from the marketplace. We're seeing even products that perhaps we wouldn't think would sell well are selling well on the marketplace. As long as you have good products at a good price, and obviously having good listings is very key. So good photos, good reviews is very key for helping customer convert into a sale.
What are some of the reasons I might want to join the marketplace and B&Q? What are the opportunities for me then?
I mean, the fact that we're still very new. So we're only, if you compare us to other marketplaces in the UK, like Amazon, obviously, it's a very renowned and established marketplace. We're only just 2 years into our journey. So there's so much opportunity. And also the fact that the team is also based in the UK as well. So we're always listening to sellers, having regular catch-ups as well, trying to see what can we do to improve as marketplace and taking that feedback on board. So it's a case that if you put in a lot of effort, we're willing to listen to you as a seller, see what we can do to improve. And also we're always looking to help you grow, because obviously if you grow and do better, B&Q does better as well. So very keen to listen to sellers and obviously help you take advantage of this opportunity.
One of the challenges for a lot of modern e-commerce retailers is just this complexity when it comes to running their operation. How can I reduce that complexity involved there in order to access more channels with greater ease?
I think complexity is a good thing to an extent, because obviously we want to have a bit of a high barrier to our marketplace. We don't want everyone joining. We want it to be obviously maintain quality control, which is why we have very strict standards in terms of product quality, delivery standards, and also responding to customers on time. So I think to kind of meet those standards, recommend it's very easy to partner with, like Linux, for example, is quite good, because obviously you can handle the warehouse operations, you can give advice, and also the integration to the platform we use. So we use Miracle to actually run the marketplace. Linux is, I guess, a good solution because of plug-and-play system. So I think obviously, if you are going to join the marketplace, going with a company like Linux obviously makes it a lot easier to do, because it takes out a lot of the legwork for you.
If there's one piece of advice that you could give to small but growing e-commerce retailers, what would that be?
I think it's time that's really taking the time to invest in your product listings. So obviously the product listing is the first thing that a customer sees. So B&Q customers, we find they are very detail oriented. So the more you can include, the higher chance you have of selling as well, and ensuring that you are ready to deal with the sales you can get from us. So ensure you can deliver on time, you can respond to customers in a timely manner, and obviously you're willing to work with B&Q to help you grow your sales on the platform as well.